What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Finn, and in today's video, as you can see by the title below, we have got a really exciting video, one that I'm incredibly grateful for, and I'm just so excited to film this. Now, this is a collaboration, this is a collab with 3 other YouTubers. I had to count then. Yeah, there's 4 of us in total, so 3 more YouTubers. So we have the beautiful Jenhasago, Amy Vaughan and Claire Whst, and then of course you've got me as well. And we are doing a YouTuber gift swap thing. So Amy and Claire have got presents for each other, they've swapped them over, and that'll be linked in the description box down below, so you can go and watch that. And then also me and Jen, we have also bought gifts for each other and we have swapped them over. I am so excited for this, and I'm also a little bit nervous because I hate unboxing presents in front of people, and now I'm about to do it on camera. It's a little bit awkward. One thing I need to say as well is a massive thanks to Jenhasago, because she organised this. She threw it out there in the group chat. Yeah, it was her idea. So yeah, I'm just so thankful to have YouTube friends like this. I've only been doing YouTube for just over a year, and I have met the most incredible girls, and I am so grateful and thankful for all of them. So yeah, have my thanks, my gratitude. I love you all. So without further ado, let's unbox the gift swap. Now, the only rules we had was that you couldn't go over £20, and they had to be from like cheap shops like Poundland, Home Bargains, B&M, that kind of vibe, which I'm well more than up for, because I absolutely love those shops. Who does not love a bargain? Also, needless to say, I don't need to say this, if you want, I've linked Jen's video down in the description box. You can go and see what I got Jen. So yeah, let's unbox. I'm beyond excited. I'm so excited for this. Also, I'm so nervous. I really hope she likes what I got her. So yeah, okay, let's just go. So the first gift we've got, this is beautifully wrapped, by the way, gorgeous wrapping paper. Look at that, that's so pretty. That's stunning. So this says something to help you plan your videos. Oh no, this is like it's fallen off of something, so we'll leave that one for later. So this one says sit back, relax and have a pamper. Look how sweet this is, little tiny Father Christmas. How adorable is he? So cute. So let's have an open. I feel like I'm cheating Christmas because we're opening these early. They are so cute. Okay, so we've got Watermelon Vibes 5 face sheet masks. I'm not really good at pronouncing that. 5 face sheet masks. There we go. They look stunning. So they're like multicoloured sheet masks. They're beautiful. I've got no idea where she got these from, because stuff like this is not in my Home Bargains, so they're beautiful. I cannot wait to try those. They are absolutely stunning. Look at the little watermelons all over them. Thanks. I've got a funny feeling that this was meant to come with this. So this little note says something to help you plan your videos next year. So which I need. My content is at the moment. I love this wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Jen's got us this beautiful 2021 diary with this gorgeous pink pattern all over it. How stunning is that? With like, oh, it's got little leaves on it as well. It's so pretty. And then, oh, the inside is fantastic. I will actually use this, Jen. Thank you so much. So the inside looks just like this, and you can genuinely organise like everything. So I will organise all my YouTube videos, my days that I can film, my days to edit. I'm so excited to use that. Thank you. Oh, look at the little penguins. They're so adorable. Okay, so this one says Rockin' Robin. I like her little music notes. That's so cute. I've just realised she did actually put like a little bag in there, and I didn't realise. I'm so sorry, Jen. I've just unboxed them out of the box, but thanks, and I absolutely love that. That's so cute. Right, back to what we had in hand. What is this? We have Dime, whatever you call it, but oh my gosh, they're coming to work with me tomorrow. Is that cheating? Can I eat them before Christmas, please? I love stuff like this and I am extremely grateful. Thank you. Okay, so this note, oh my god. Jen, where did you get these little like card things from? They are so adorable. This one says, I must have this Christmas, and I think I know what this is. I'm pretty certain this is a little candle. They are little tiny candles. Oh my god. The first one we've got is this Yankee candle in the scent Oh Christmas Tree, which looks just like this, and it actually smells really, really strong and festive. That smells stunning. And then this one literally smells of what it is. So this one is in the scent Candy Cane Forest, with the candy canes on the front, and oh my gosh, it stinks of candy cane. Like, I say stinks, it smells really nice, but like it's potent. That is like smashing yourself in the face with a candy cane. Oh, delicious, thank you. We've got another little elf on this one, oops. And this note says, just as good as a real Christmas dinner, which, the elf is adorable, but I won't lie, I'm not a massive fan of Christmas dinner, so let's, I've got no idea what this is. Oh, it's going to be Willy Wonka like Christmas dinner turkey chewing gum stuff, isn't it? No, it's not. Chocolate stuffed turkeys though, I mean, come on, can you get much better than that? This is going to be my Christmas dinner. I will have an Instagram story on Christmas of me eating these. You just watch, you wait. This is a cute little, I love the penguin wrapping paper. You are going to have to tell me where you got this from, because I have a friend that is obsessed with penguins, literally, and she will love this. So please let me know where you got it from. I really thought this was toothpaste for a second. I would have been grateful for toothpaste, to be honest. I quite like toothpaste. What is this? I quite like toothpaste. What did I just say? Oh, this is cute. So this is a little Nivea set, and it looks like you get a face mask kind of thing, a lip balm and another lip balm, like a cream and a lip balm. That's adorable. Actually, let's have an open and just see exactly what you get inside. Okay, so you get this, it's like a mini, but I absolutely love this stuff. I love this stuff to chuck in my handbag when I take it to work. So we have like a mini Nivea cream, and Nivea is amazing for the cream. Like, it is really hydrating. And then we have this mask. So, oh no, it's two masks. So this is just honey and natural almond oil for dry skin. So it comes like this, you can rip it in half and use it twice. That's, again, wow, thank you. And then this is coming to work with me. I really, really like this stuff. So this is the Nivea Pearly Shine Lip Gloss. And I find that this stuff works really, really well. Thank you so much. I'm like overwhelmed. This is why I don't like opening Christmas presents in front of people, because it overwhelms me. Next up. Doesn't have a label on it again, because there's loose labels everywhere, so I'm gonna have to try and pair them up at the end. I don't know what this is, but it's a cute little square. Looks pretty. What? That does look pretty. Next thing she got me is this gorgeous little perfume bottle. That is stunning, with like the silver bow on it, and it's just called All That Glitters. I need to open this and have a sniff, because that looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's actually stunning. So this is a 50ml bottle, and like I said, our budget was £20, and that already looks like it's nearly most of the budget, and it obviously isn't. That is stunning. Let's have a spritz. And it smells lovely. That smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm actually in love. Thanks. Okay, so next up we've got a label. And I'm not going to sing it for you, but it says, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. So, hope you liked my rendition, Jen. It looks like a mug, and I am not upset if it is a mug. I absolutely love mugs. And it's a cute Christmas one. So we have a Rudolph mug. This is what I'm going to be drinking out of. Oh my god, guys. No, the back. The back says, simply add your hot drink and watch the sky change colour. You put your tea tea in there and it gives Rudolph the red nose. Excuse me, what? What? That's my Christmas drink. This is what I'm having my Christmas tea out of. Thank you so much. That's so exciting. I think I know what this is. So we've got this like cone thing, and I think this is going to be like the sweet cone things. I can see some marshmallows. I'm not upset. I'm not upset about that. No, it's not a sweet thing. It's better. It's an instant hot chocolate powder and marshmallows, which can go in the colour changing mug. She really, really thought this through. Thank you. That is what we've got there. You get the hot chocolate powder down the bottom and the marshmallows on top. And the Rudolph face, which quite obviously goes extremely well with the Rudolph mug. That's so cute. Right, again, there is not a label thing on this, so I don't know what the hint was, but there was one, so it's fallen off during transit. I don't own anything like this at all. Like, we've only just bought a Christmas tree, and I've got my first, like, since I moved out of my family home, this is my first Christmas ornament, and it is adorable. Look, it is Santa's workshop. That is actually gorgeous. I love it. It can go, I'm putting it with my Christmas tree. Hang on, not that you can see it, but I know that it's behind me and it brings me joy, so. That's so cute. Okay, so this is a nice flat one with the little elf on it, and it says protect yourself this Christmas. What have you put in it? Is that a wink? Honey, what have you done? There's me thinking you had done something a little bit more than PG. And it's not. It's a COVID face covering. Thanks, Jen, because I actually needed another one, and that is extremely Christmassy. So we've got this beautiful Christmas face covering with little tiny candy canes all over it. That is gorgeous, and I am incredibly excited to wear that when I go Christmas shopping. So thank you. Right guys, we are on the last Prezi. I can't believe how much you put in there. And this one says, I know you can't use gel at the most, so I hope this helps. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's literally a manicure set. You can do French manicures with this, and it's no gel polish, because at the moment I can't use it. And thank you for remembering, and thank you for thinking of that. I really appreciate that. So this is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning, stunning colours. You've got like the French white and the French beige. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love this nail file. That is so, so shiny. Oh, I love it. Thank you so, so much. Thank you so, so much. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm slightly overwhelmed. Right guys, that is the end of today's YouTube video. Thanks Jen so, so much for all of the thought and the effort and everything you've done to make this work between all four of us. I absolutely love taking part. I really, really hope that you enjoyed your gifts. I've certainly enjoyed mine. Thank you for the thought. I don't really know what else to say except thank you a million times. Like, that's it. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. More thanks, sorry. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here and you haven't yet done so, consider subscribing down there. Stay safe guys. Have a great evening, day, weekend, whatever you're on. Have a great day. Keep safe and keep smiling, and I really can't wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye. Bye, Jen.